It's Thursday. Welcome back, kids. This is the first of many Throwback Thursdays. It's a segment that I put together in the fall just to make sure that you guys always had content coming out to you, because in the winter, it's my busy season and I work like crazy. So today, let's go way back to where the fascination with going fast and having a set of wheels underneath me all started. We're going back to this is probably 1997 to 1999, maybe almost 2000. Back when we were all riding BMXs. Back then, none of us really had a license. We didn't have cars. We couldn't get anywhere. So the closest thing was a 20-minute bike ride to town, just to hang out with your buddies and do a whole bunch of stupid shit that you just saw on some video that your friends found and stuff like that. Back then, internet was just starting and stuff like that. So we would have to get skater videos and BMX videos from the local skate shops, adrenaline stores, stuff like that. The motocross stores, some of them covered some stuff. But hey, you know, we got what we could. We watched it, we hung out as buddies, and we did the stupid shit that we thought was really cool. And to be honest, I still think it's cool. We had such a good time back then. Memories forever. So this is us just messing around in town, around where we could. We actually got given basically a house and a yard to play with because it was going to be destroyed in a few weeks. So we went to town on that. We built a big track. We had a spot that we just sort of showed up and took over, and it was a little piece of municipal land that nobody really knew about or noticed, so we were able to make a track there until it got torn down. We were crazy kids. We had a crazy good time, and it was all worth it. Thanks for watching this Throwback Thursday. We'll see you guys real soon. Peace.
Little session here.